We all know how to format cells, that is, make them bold, make them red, and give them a yellow background. But sometimes we want the formatting to change as the data changes. This is called conditional formatting. For example, highlight D2 to D11, and then on the Home tab in the ribbon, I'm going to click the Conditional Formatting button. I'll then go to Highlight Cell Rules, and I'll click the option Greater Than. In the first box, I'll type 1000, and I want to format, with the use of the second box, any values that are greater than 1000. I'll click the option Custom Format. Here I'll select the option Bold, and I'll choose a colour, such as red. I'll then choose Fill at the top, and I'll click the brightest yellow I can find, and OK. If a cell value is greater than 1000, it will have a red bold font and a yellow background, so I'll click OK. With that range still selected, I'd like to add another conditional format. You can overlay up to 64 conditional formats. I'll go back to the Conditional Formatting button, back to Highlight Cell Rules, and this time I'll choose Less Than. If it's less than 1000, then I want to do another custom format. So I'll click the drop down and choose Custom Format. I might this time have a white background, so I'll click white because it is actually a colour, and I'll choose Font, and I'll click Bold, and I'll choose a blue of some description, and OK, and OK. And now, keeping those cells highlighted, want to overlay a third rule. Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cell Rules, and this time I'll click Equal To. If a value is equal to 1000, then I want to create a third conditional format, so I'll click on Custom Format. I'll decide I want bold, some form of green, and then I'll choose Fill at the top and choose a very light grey, and OK, and OK. The data that's already in the spreadsheet has already been automatically formatted, but if the data changes, then the format will change. For example, if I click on D3 and I change the value in D3 to 1001, suddenly it goes bright red bold with a yellow background. If I change it to 999, it goes blue and white, and if I change it to 1000, it goes green and grey.